Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Tech and Science, where we dive into the latest in AI tech that's changing how we work and play. Today we're talking about Moltbot, formerly known as Clawdbot, the open source AI agent that's gone viral overnight. Launched by developer Peter Steinberger, it exploded in early 2026, hitting thousands of GitHub stars and even causing a spike in Mac Mini sales. But just today, January 27, 2026, it rebranded to Moltbot after Anthropic raised trademark issues over similarities to their AI Claude. Is this the future of personal AI, or a security nightmare waiting to happen? We'll cover the highlights, real-world use cases. First off, what makes Moltbot stand out? It's a self-hosted AI assistant that runs on your own devices like a Mac Mini, VPS, or even your phone, integrating seamlessly with apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, and iMessage. Unlike passive chatbots, Moltbot is agentic, meaning it can proactively handle tasks, remember everything with persistent markdown-based memory, and even build new skills on the fly. Installation is straightforward with Node.js, but it might be techie for beginners. Think Docker or Nix setups. The community loves it for privacy, as your data stays local, away from big tech clouds. Now let's get into how people are actually using Moltbot. It's all about boosting productivity without the hassle. For personal use, imagine waking up to a customized morning brief, news, weather, and inbox summaries. It can sort your emails, draft replies, manage calendars, or even check flights. Users report it as an external brain that remembers your preferences across devices. In professional settings, developers swear by it for triaging GitHub issues, running scripts, or notifying teams on deploys. It replaces tools like Zapier with cron jobs and webhooks. For teams, set rules in group chats for auto-moderation or FAQ responses. Niche applications, pair it with wearables like Ray-Ban glasses for real-time shopping, or use extensions for Reddit searches and voice responses via 11 Labs. In data engineering, it's great for diagnostics, though setup can be a hurdle. Community feedback on X highlights its adaptability. With some joking, it's the homebrew moment for AI agents. But here's where it gets spicy, as creator Peter Steinberger puts it. Moltbot's power comes with risks because it has deep access to your system shell commands, files, and browsers. Real-world issues, post-rename scams like fake Claude. Crypto tokens surged to $16 million. Before crashing, Steinberger warned everyone. Mitigations exist. Run it sandboxed in Docker, use allow deny lists, enable DM pairing, and monitor with tools like Moltbot Doctor. Experts recommend isolated hardware and regular key rotations. Research suggests with proper setup it's safe, but always start small. So, is Moltbot worth trying? If you're tech savvy and value privacy, absolutely it could revolutionize your workflow, but heed the warnings. Security first. Check out the GitHub repo link below and let me know in the comments if you've installed it. What's your favorite use case? Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more AI deep dives, and hit the bell for notifications. The future is built by AI tech and science.